What's up guys, FG Tech here. Today we're gonna look at a simple mod everybody can do. It's also erasable, and this mod consists in basically getting the Royal look into your Gskill Trident Z RGB memory. And you can do that for just $4 US. So that's pretty amazing. But first of all, let's talk a little bit about the Royal RAM. The Trident Z Royal is probably well known by some of you, and especially PC enthusiasts out there. It is the latest addition for the Gskill Trident Z RAM memory family, and it features basically a crown jewel design. It is crafted in order to display just the right amount of refraction, and the crystalline light bar scatters the RGB colors in a magnificent display of LED lighting. But before going on, if you are new to the channel and like this type of content, please be so kind by subscribing to the channel below. It will help me to grow and to propose additional cool and interesting videos. Back to the Trident Z Royal, these RAMs are well known also for being quite expensive compared to the classic Trident Z RGB, which for example I am mounting here in my rig. By the way, if you're interested more in this kind of RAM, please have a look at my unboxing analysis here of this RAM, as well as to my video where I go through the different motherboards RAM layouts explanations. Today anyway, I want to show the way for getting the same looks of the Royal RAM, but just for $5 as I said. Yeah, you heard me right, and you will be really surprised by the final result at the end of this video. So without further ado, let's see how this simple mod is done. Okay, and that's how it looks like at default, with the standard diffusion from Gskill. So we're gonna compare before and after. So in order to do this mod, this lighting mod, we need a light guide bar for the Gskill Trident Z RGB RAM, and we are going to simply change those into the Royal series band. I bought that here, as you can see, so let's find out what's inside. I have 4 DIMMs currently installed, so obviously I bought 4 of these. There you go. So now I'm gonna show you how to install this properly. We can obviously go back to the original ones as many times as we want. So the change is obviously reversible. And here we have our first DIMM, so let's try to see how we can get rid of this original light bar. I found a way pretty easy for doing that. So you need the help of a screwdriver, and basically from here you need the help of the screwdriver for removing this part here. Everything else will come quite easily then. So you can move up a little bit the light bar with your nails, and then push a little bit the screwdriver up, and it's done. So you can see it's coming off already. Okay, once we have detached this part here, everything else will be quite easy. You just need to move up, and as you can see, it's gone. Now we simply need to replace that with the Royal one, And that's even simpler, since you just attach the part on the left and push quite hard the one on the right, and it's done. So we're gonna repeat the same procedure also for the other three, and then we will have a look into the final looks of our rig. Okay, and this is our final stick. Fits perfectly, also this one. So let's move back into the computer, assemble back everything, and let's check the final results. And here we are again for the final result. Pretty awesome. Basically they look exactly the same like the Royal series, but for much cheaper. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I will put the link for buying this light bar below as usual. And please remember to subscribe to the channel for looking at additional content like this one. And thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.